Incremental greetings. No worries, this channel won't be ever dead. I will continue this, I know for life, but indefinitely in the future. Regardless of the tool I use, spoiler alert, it's been a year that this channel is called Pleasurable Learning, not Pleasurable Learning Supermemo, unlike before. If you look at old videos, you will see Supermemo. Because I wanted my channel to be tool agnostic, and it will in the future. That's why I'm making now so many videos at the time of the recording, the end of June 2024. Precisely for this, because it's like my goal. No one is asking me for this, I just feel it. I don't know why, I feel like I have this mission. That now I want the remaining things that I haven't shared, and I see that, and I think they will be useful. Let me put these evergreen videos out and move on. And move on. And this channel won't be about Supermemo anymore. Will be about learning tools that I may use. So they will have a component of my personal touch, because it's something I will have to generally use. That means that now my hunch is that I will try Remnote. I will try this as an experiment, as this channel started experimenting with Supermemo. I never had the intention to use it for real. Let's do with this. That happened that I use it. I will do videos about it. And with spaced repetition in my Notion page, because, spoiler alert, I use Notion, not Supermemo. Those are the videos I plan to do. 55 about Supermemo. And then I have the reaction videos. 34 more. This is all I got from Supermemo. And I know that some months ago I asked my subscribers, hey, I only have 8 videos left to do. Well, it turns out that when I do videos, okay, now I will do this, I will do that. Like, for instance, neural analysis, I don't know, other stuff. And sometimes one person drops a comment in a YouTube video, oh yeah, can you do this, can you do that, or how do you do that? It's okay, I'm not going to answer this because it's too time consuming. I will do a video instead. So, long story short, I do more videos than I planned. Even though I have taken it to the extreme, this list covers everything that I have ever wanted to do in video, and it will reach a point that I can no longer say anything new about Supermemo. It's already on video. I have done more than 400 videos, and some videos are very long, in the multiple hour length. So what will be new is my take on Supermemo, like this video for instance, or the milestones of 4 years, 5 years. And if it ever happens, hey, Supermemo 20, that's what is new. But with Supermemo 19, that was already very, very catalog short. That's a major release that you paywall just for this. I'm assuming that that will be like one video here and there, but won't be the theme of the channel anymore. I'm incrementally moving from Supermemo, not from the paradigm. Nothing more to add today, and see you incrementally.